Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: an active Hostinger hosting plan, a registered domain, and MySQL credentials. Once done, open Hostinger hPanel and choose Auto Installer to save time. Alternatively, upload Wordpress via File Manager or FTP if you prefer control. Make sure to create a new database and user with a strong password. Then write down DB name, user, and host. You will need those for wp-config. This step sets the foundation, so installation proceeds without database errors. Once files are in public HTML or Auto Installer is running, you proceed to the WordPress setup screen. You will enter the database name, user, and password. Hostinger typically uses localhost for DB host, so use that unless instructed otherwise. Make sure site title and admin credentials are unique and secure. Write them down or store in a password manager. After submitting, WordPress writes wp-config and completes installation, so test the front end and the admin login to ensure connectivity and correct permissions. To finish, point your domain to Hostinger name servers and wait for DNS propagation. Meanwhile, log into wp-admin and configure permalinks, themes, and plugins. If you hit a database connection error, recheck wp-config. PHP for typos, confirm DB user privileges, and verify the host value. For 500 errors, inspect error logs and set correct file permissions, usually 644 for files, 755 for folders. If problems continue, contact Hostinger support with.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.